In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Apollo.io. Connecting these two platforms helps your sales and marketing data stay in sync, so your teams can work from a single source of truth. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into Apollo with the right permissions and that you know which HubSpot account you want to connect, especially if you use a sandbox or multiple portals. Start in Apollo. From the main dashboard, head to Admin Settings. You'll typically find this via the gear icon. If you don't see it, you might not have the required role in Apollo, so check with your administrator. Inside Admin Settings, look for the area where Apollo manages external connections and click Integrations. This page is your hub for connecting Apollo to other tools in your stack. Next, use the search field on the Integrations page and type HubSpot. This filters the list so you can quickly locate the official HubSpot integration. Typing the full name ensures you don't accidentally select a similarly named tool or an unrelated connector. When HubSpot appears in the results, click on it. This opens the integration details in Apollo, where you can review what the connection is designed to do. You'll typically see a brief description of supported data types and the general flow between the two systems. It's a good moment to confirm you're linking the right accounts and that this is the integration you intend to use. Now, click Sign in to your HubSpot account. Apollo will launch a secure window to begin the connection. If you're already logged into HubSpot in your browser, you may be prompted to choose the specific HubSpot account or workspace to connect. If you're not logged in, you'll be asked to sign in first. Make sure you select the correct HubSpot portal, especially if you work across production and sandbox environments, so data lands exactly where you expect. After you complete the sign-in, the window will close, and Apollo will bring you back to the integration screen. At this point, you should see confirmation that the connection is active. If nothing happens, check for a blocked pop-up in your browser and allow it, then try again. If you searched and didn't see HubSpot earlier, clear the filter and make sure you're on the integrations page in Admin Settings. That's it. You opened Admin Settings, went to Integrations, searched for HubSpot, selected it, and signed in to connect. With the integration established, you're ready to keep your records aligned across both platforms and streamline your go-to-market workflows.